All Motors is the ultimate destination for aviation, automotive, and marine enthusiasts, bringing you in-depth reviews and fascinating insights into the machines that move our world, from the fastest jets and most advanced ships to legendary cars and groundbreaking engineering marvels. Today we turn our attention to a true icon of Japanese aviation history, the NAMC YS-11. This twin-engine turboprop airliner marked a major milestone as the first and only Japanese-produced passenger aircraft in the post-war era. Designed and built by the Nihon Aircraft Manufacturing Corporation in the early 1960s, the YS-11 was developed to meet the needs of regional airlines requiring a reliable, efficient and comfortable aircraft for short to medium-haul routes. Powered by two Rolls-Royce Dart turboprop engines, it delivered dependable performance with a cruising speed of around 450 km/h and a range of approximately 2,400 km, making it ideal for domestic and nearby international flights. The YS-11 could carry between 60 to 64 passengers in a comfortable cabin layout with good headroom and visibility. Thanks to its large oval windows, the aircraft was praised for its robust construction and ability to operate from shorter runways, which opened up air travel to regions with limited airport infrastructure. Over the years, the YS-11 served in both civilian and military roles, including transport training and special mission duties in Japan and abroad. Its sturdy design and relatively low operating costs made it a dependable workhorse for decades. Despite the rapid advancement of jet-powered alternatives, the cockpit featured straightforward analog instrumentation well suited for the era, while the fuselage design prioritized passenger comfort and easy maintenance. The airframe incorporated corrosion-resistant materials to withstand Japan's humid climate and coastal conditions, with regular service intervals ensuring longevity. Even though production ended in 1974 after 182 units, the YS-11 left a lasting legacy in the aviation industry and remains a symbol of Japanese engineering ambition. Several aircraft are preserved in museums or maintained by enthusiasts, keeping the story of this unique turboprop alive for future generations. The NAMC YS-11 not matched the speed of modern jets, but its role in connecting communities and strengthening Japan's aerospace capabilities cannot be overstated. It bridged the gap between an era dominated by foreign-built aircraft and a new age of domestic innovation, proving that Japan could design, build and operate its own commercial planes. For aviation fans, the YS-11 is a rare gem, a machine that combined practical performance with historical significance. Subscribe to All Motors for more detailed reviews of iconic machines from the skies, seas and roads, and join our journey into the engineering wonders that shape our world.